In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership or hosts for Google Meet events. This is a useful skill to have if you're managing a calendar for a team, stepping out and require someone else to handle a meeting, or if you simply need to reassign hosts due to changes in your organization. Changing the host ensures continuity and that all meeting operations can proceed smoothly with someone ready to take charge. Let's walk through the steps together so that you can manage this process seamlessly. First, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by visiting the Google Calendar website through your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once there, navigate to the specific event on your calendar that you'd like to update. Click on the meeting you have your eye on. Doing so will bring up the event details, presenting you with a summary of all the information regarding that meeting. Now, you'll want to click on the option to join the meeting with Google Meet. While you're not actually going to enter the virtual meeting room just yet, clicking this button will take you to where you can make all the necessary changes to the event and its ownership. Look for the button labeled More Actions. This is usually found within the Event Details section, often represented by 3 dots, a handy place to access additional functionalities related to your meeting. Once you're in the More Actions menu, look for an option that says Change Owner. Clicking here allows you to transfer hosting rights from yourself to another participant. There will be a list of current participants. Select the person from this list whom you want to assign as the new owner. It's crucial to ensure that the person you choose is prepared to take over hosting responsibilities. The name will be highlighted for you to confirm. After selecting the appropriate participant, simply click Change Owner. At this point, Google Calendar will take care of notifying the person you've selected, letting them know about their new role as the host of your Google Meet event. It's important to ensure that the handover has indeed been registered, so check back into the calendar and, if needed, send a follow-up email for confirmation. This procedure is straightforward, but can have a significant impact on how smoothly your team's operations run. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively delegate the responsibility of hosting and ensure your meetings continue unimpeded, regardless of any scheduling conflicts or changes in tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and with this newfound skill, may your next virtual meeting transition be seamless and efficient. Happy organizing!